What's up, Morningside? It's Coach Brinkley back here with a new activity to teach you guys. Today, I'm going to be going over the fundamentals of rolling. All right, so if you're at home, if you have a ball, of course that'll work. If you don't have a ball, you can get a sock or whatever you can, ball it up, and use it to roll. All right, so let me show you the fundamentals and the technique of how I want you guys to roll. So I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna sit back right here. My knees slightly bent, and I'm gonna step forward with my left foot and roll with my right, like this. All right. So my objective is to roll the ball up under the chair. I have to get it up under the chair. Okay, each time I roll the ball up under the chair, I get a point. All right, so you're gonna do it for 1 minute. You're gonna see how many points you can get within that 1 minute. But every time you roll the ball, say for instance, watch me, I'm gonna roll the ball. It goes in, it's my point. I'm gonna walk over to get it. And I'm gonna do a locomotive skill to get back. So this time I'm gonna hop on my left leg to get back to my spot. All right, go again. I missed it, walk over. This time I'm gonna skip back. Set back up, left, right. I got it in, it's a point. Walk over, I'm gonna hop back on my right leg. You can do this drill or this activity by yourself, or if you have a brother or a sister, or even your mom and dad, if they want to join in to help play the game or do the activity, you can do so as well, okay? So I'm gonna have my guys, my two boys, they're gonna show you how it's done. They're gonna have a contest. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. Oh yeah, don't forget, go Dogs.